Know why I named the channel what I did? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching so far. This relaunch has been pretty successful. I'm pretty happy with the turnout. You guys are doing a great job of subscribing and liking my videos. So if you can continue doing that, that'd be great. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you know when I put up a new video, and hit those like buttons so that we could so I know that I'm doing a good job and you like what I'm doing. So today I am working on my old truck here. This is the very same truck that you see in the older videos getting worked on in the garage. The one that I had it ripped down to the frame. Those videos were actually made 3 years ago. And we've been on a little bit of a rough ride since. I've been divorced, had to relocate a couple times since then. So in that process, this truck had to get hastily put together and moved a few times, and I ended up driving it around a lot, and it's kind of been doing some work for me. So we've kind of nicknamed this truck the Dirty Girl. That is because she's made up of a bunch of parts, and there's probably about 6 different trucks that make up what she is today. So as you can see, I have not completed the bodywork on it. It is a very solid truck. All steel, no rot. That is a rare find up here in the northeastern part of the country. It's got some bumps and dings and bruises. One of the significant things that happened this year is just before Christmas, I had a tree fall on it. So that's why we got the different color fender and hood here. I can go ahead and show you a couple pictures of that right now. And good running truck, 4.3 liter out of it's a hodgepodge. There's a whole bunch of different stuff going on in this truck. So you can see the slider boxes rather than the shackles. Dana 44 front axle out of a Jeep Wagoneer. Have the matching rear axle from the same Jeep. And yeah, pretty good stance. I like how she drives. And it's overall a very good truck. So today, this fender, I have a little bit of an issue here. Tire rubs. And you can see where it's rubbing right there. It's bent the inner wheel well a little bit. So what I did on the other side is I had this cut before, and I actually had the fender flares on it, but I have to replace that on this side. So that's what I'm going to do today. She's not 100% back to normal. Radiator support's crushed a little bit. I have all the parts, I just don't have the time to get it going. So today, since I have to drive it around and I'm going to be towing a trailer with it and moving some stuff around, I want to have that good ability to turn and a good turn radius, so I have to get this tire to stop rubbing. So that's today's project. So one of my favorite tools again. This guy comes in wicked handy. Don't own one of these? Buy one. I use it all the time, at least in what I do. like that. Butter. All right, in order to get these fender flares to work right, I got to cut part of this fender out, and I believe you got to cut 2 inches out. I think if I remember correctly, it's 2 inches. I'm not 100% sure, but I measured the other side. It's 2 inches, I think. Same thing on the front side here, 2 inches out. Kind of cut it on a. It's basically measure 2 inches over this way, and then draw a line to the where the corner kind of straightens out here. So I'll do that on both sides, and then I could get my fender flare mounted back on. See the old bushwhacker, 4-inch bolt-on fender flares. I think they're discontinued. I'm not sure if you can get them anymore, but at least on the rear anyway. So I'm gonna make do with these for now. I'm gonna buy a new set someday if I can find them, but for now I'm gonna put these on here because these things sling up some water and some mud when I'm driving down the road, and it's a little annoying. So, particularly on the dirt road that I'm on here. So, I'm gonna cut these out, get that fender flare mounted. I'm not even gonna mark it. I'm just gonna wing it. What the hell, right? She's just an old dirty girl. She doesn't need to be that pretty. I know why I named the channel what I did? Just a little bit of love. I think I might have done it before. Perfect. Using these little screws, hex head screws that have the little drill bit thing on the end of them. Nice and easy for sheet metal, putting this shit together like this. It was awesome. There you go. She ain't pretty, but she's done. Much better. Looks a little cooler too, but until I get another garage and I get to take her apart again and do it the right way. That'll do for now. So just going to bolt the other side on. No cutting there because it already had one on it. So I'm just going to bolt this one up. Don't need to bore you with that. And off to the next project. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.